Uulitin ko ha, hindi totoo na marketing is just about getting more customers. This is a better mindset. Marketing is also about building relationships with your existing customers to increase customer loyalty and lifetime value. Agree? Ako kasi dati, basta makakuha lang ako ng maraming customers, bago man o dating customer, okay na sa akin. Until I learned from my marketing mentors na mas effective pala if I take care of customers namin, especially yung bumili na. Kasi these people will be more loyal sa aking brand. Ano naman ang lifetime customer value, Mami N? Yan bang tanong mo? This is the amount na pwedeng ibigay ng isang customer sa atin habang siya ay nabubuhay. For example, if I have a customer who is 20 years old now and they live up to 70 years old, that's 50 years, di ba? And if they just buy 10,000 pesos from me every year, that is already 500,000 pesos. 500,000 pesos sales just from one customer. Ganyan siya kahalaga. Yan ang kanyang customer lifetime value. So, anong ginawa namin? Nag-create kami ng loyalty program. We send personalized discount cards at nagpapadala kami ng mga thank you notes sa kanila. And dahil dito, mas naalala nila kami at mas dumami ang mga repeat customers namin. Grow your business by taking care of your loyal customers. Remember to always be business-minded, Pinoy.